Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. Guys, can you see the way my skin is literally glowing? And one of the reasons how I was able to achieve this skin glow was by trying something different, like stopping several mistakes I used to make as regards to skincare. And that's the reason why I decided to, you know what, let me film a separate video where I'm going to share with you all some skincare mistakes and tips and the benefits that you get in today's video. Now, before we get right into this video, please give my video a very big thumbs up. I've noticed that most of you all watch my videos, you enjoy my content, but you don't want to like my videos. Like, this is one of the ways you can literally support me, by liking my videos. And also, don't forget to leave a wonderful comment for me in the comment section down below. So without talking too much, let's just get right into this video. So starting off strong, and I'm literally coming for myself in this skincare mistake, and that is using too many skin actives. That is abusing the use of skin actives like, you know, your retinol, glycolic acid, lactic acid, AHAs, BHAs, and so on. If you're always abusing the use of skincare actives, most especially when you're using like plenty actives in one particular skincare routine, like just one skincare routine, you put salicylic acid, you use glycolic acid, you use niacinamide, you use alpha arbutin, you use bobo, all the whole actives in one skincare routine, because you want your skin to glow. If you keep doing this thing, you will end up irritating your skin, and if care is not taken, you will end up damaging your skin barrier. Yes. Now, what I'm going to advise you instead is to calm down. You don't need to pack so many actives in one skincare routine, and you don't need to use so many actives every single day. As a matter of fact, there was a video I filmed recently where I shared with you all 4 important skincare routines that everybody should have. And one of those skincare routine is skin barrier routine. The reason why I was able to put that into that video is because from my own mistake, I have learned that having a skin barrier repair or support routine is very important, because it will help your skin to calm down. Okay, when you use products that are soothing, products that are not irritating, it will help your skin to calm down, relax. It's going to give your skin the room for your skin to actually repair itself, so that you will not end up irritating your skin excessively. Now, moving on to the second skincare tip or skincare mistake, and that is do not over exfoliate. Yes, I know exfoliating the skin is very important, but please, let's try as much as possible not to over exfoliate our skin. Me presently, I'm at this state where I exfoliate maximum of 3 times in a week, and sometimes I even do only 2 times in a week. Sincerely speaking, sometimes I don't exfoliate up to 3 times in a week. I will just do 2 times in a week, and if I notice that my skin is unnecessarily feeling irritated or sensitized that particular week, I can even do once in a week. It is better you understand, listen to your skin, understand how your skin is reacting, okay, so that you won't end up forcing yourself to exfoliate your skin when your skin is obviously trying to tell you that. And you just calm down with this exfoliant that you're bringing all over on my skin, when your skin is trying to give you the signal that it is feeling irritated, that it doesn't need all this exfoliant. So try as much as possible not to overdo it. Try as much as possible not to over exfoliate your skin, because when you over exfoliate your skin, you're going to trigger irritation on your skin instead of your skin to be glowing. Like, your skin will not be able to glow because you've irritated your skin. And when your skin is very irritated, it is very difficult for an irritated skin to actually look healthy and look glowy, look shiny. Yes, it is actually very, very difficult. Now, moving on to the third skincare tip for today's video, and that links to the second one I mentioned, and that is always listen to your skin. Yes, just as how it is important for you to know your skin type so that you can pick out the right products for your skin, it is the same way you should actually listen to what your skin feels at a particular point in time. Now, I just remembered something, and that is, do you know that despite the fact that, let's say you have a normal skin, do you know that your skin type can literally change from a normal skin to like a combination skin, or from a normal skin to on the drier side? Or maybe you have a normal skin and literally your skin just started feeling oily all of a sudden. Do you know that that can happen? Because I have noticed that my skin mostly falls between normal skin to combination skin. Before, I was literally confused. I was like, why am I developing combination skin today? The next day I'm having normal skin, until I learned that there are certain factors that can literally change our skin type, like make our skin type to move from the normal skin type that we used to have. Take for example, now I notice that whenever I stress myself too much, if I do things that literally stresses me out too much, I begin to develop combination skin. And then another thing that triggers combination skin for me, okay, is whenever I'm on my menstruation. Now, let me just come back to what I'm trying to say. Despite the fact that you have a dry skin, your skin might actually, maybe from time to time, your skin might begin to feel oily. Your skin might begin to enter the combination side, and it could be due to several factors like climate change. Another one is stress, when you overstress yourself. Then another one is hormone, just like me during my menstruation period. Those are like examples of factors that can change your skin type. So I just needed to point that out. Now let's come back to what we are talking about, which is always listening to your skin. So it is important for you to listen to how your skin feels at that particular point. Does your skin feel dry? Like, is your skin beginning to feel drier? Does your skin feel irritated? Does your skin sting you and burn you when you use certain skincare products? Or maybe when you make use of certain skincare products or skincare actives and your skin is just not accepting it. In that state, you need to let your skin rest. Do not force your skin to accept what it is obviously telling you that it doesn't need. Okay, when you ignore your skin, it is going to backfire back. When you ignore your skin, let's say you're using a moisturizer, or maybe you're using a particular sunscreen, and the thing is burning up your skin, and you ignore your skin, you ignore that burning sensation on your skin, it is going to backfire back. Your skin will find it difficult, to look healthy. Your skin is going to find it difficult to look radiant. So it is very important that you listen to your skin. Stop ignoring your skin and throw away that skincare product that is burning up your skin. Please throw it away. That is your skin telling you that this product is not for me. So guys, I forgot to mention that one of the reasons why a particular skincare product might be burning you up is because you might have a damaged skin barrier. And in this situation, what you need to do is to focus on repairing your skin barrier, because this way you will know exactly what is the cause of that burning sensation that your particular skincare product is giving to you. Now, moving on to the next skincare tip on my list, and that is making use of makeup wipes on your skin. Makeup wipes, for example, I have a makeup wipe with me. Let me just use it to explain it to you. Most times when people are done with their makeup, they tend to just go like make use of this and use it to clear, like wipe their skin. Now, this is the reason why I said we need to stop making use of makeup wipes on our skin. Makeup wipes can actually be drying on the skin. It is better you use your oil-based cleanser to first break down your makeup, then you now go in with your water-based cleanser to now wash off your face very well, than you making use of these makeup wipes, because all these makeup wipes can literally be drying on the skin. Now, another reason you shouldn't use makeup wipes on your skin is that most of them can irritate the skin. I have noticed that whenever I make use of certain makeup wipes, it literally irritates my skin. Number one, it is going to leave my skin feeling drier. Like, once I'm done using it on my skin, before you know it, I've noticed that my skin is already feeling drier. And then I noticed that my skin is beginning to get irritated. You might ask me, then why do you have a makeup wipe with you? Most times whenever I make use of this makeup wipe is, let's say if I'm doing my makeup and I want to clean makeup, because when I'm doing my makeup, sometimes I love applying my makeup on my palm. I take this to clean out those makeup from my palm, but that doesn't mean after I am done with the whole makeup process, I will not properly wash my hands. Because if I leave that makeup wipes on my hands like that, like if you leave it for a long time, it just doesn't work for me. Like, it's that particular part of my skin will begin to feel dry. It will begin to feel dry. So try as much as possible not to get used to using makeup wipes on your face, most especially when you're going to use the makeup wipes on your face and leave it on your face for a long time, because it can literally dry out the skin. So what I'm just trying to say here is that you can make use of your makeup wipes, to do certain things that you want to use it to do, but do not make use of it on your skin and then leave it on your skin for the whole day or for a very long period of time. That's all. Now, the next skincare tip or skincare mistake is using your oil-based cleanser wrongly. So let's say you have makeup on your face, okay, and you want to take out your makeup. The first thing is that you apply your oil-based cleanser, okay, on your face. When your face is dry, you don't put any water on your face, you don't pour any water together with the oil-based cleanser, okay. Rub gently on your face. You rub it, let's say for like 40 seconds to 60 seconds, that is 40 seconds to 1 minute on your face. When your face is still dry, you've not added any water at all, okay, you just rub it gently on your skin, you know, to help you break down all those makeup. And then the next step is by emulsifying. Now emulsifying that your oil-based cleanser on your skin has to do with you now introducing water. You are just adding water, little bit water on that oil-based cleanser that you have already rubbed into your skin. That process is what they call emulsifying. This process will help you to further break down those makeup particles on your skin. Now when you have emulsified it very, very well, and those makeup particles has been broken down from your skin, then you now go ahead to rinse your face with water. Now once you have rinsed your face with water, then you now go in with your water-based cleanser to cleanse your skin. Then once you're done cleansing your skin, you continue with your skincare routine. So that is the right way for you to make use of your oil-based cleanser. Now the next skincare tip is never skip your moisturizer, but rather instead of you to skip your moisturizer, like if you have an oily skin, it is better you just make use of a lightweight moisturizer. So if you have like dry skin, then you can make use of thicker moisturizer because it will be best suited for your skin type like that. Now some of the benefits making use of a moisturizer will offer to your skin is that the first thing is that moisturizers has the ability to protect your skin barrier, most especially those moisturizers that don't contain unnecessary amounts of actives. Yes, all those gentle moisturizers on the skin, like the moisturizer I make use of, we all know this already, which is the NIVEA soft moisturizer. Moisturizers like this, when you apply it on your skin, or when I apply this on my skin, they have the ability to protect your skin barrier. When they moisturize your skin, they will help you to protect your skin barrier. They will help you to prevent dryness from your skin. They are also going to help you to prevent or reduce the risk of wrinkles on your skin. And then another thing again is that applying moisturizer on your skin will help you to maintain your skin elasticity. There are other benefits of using a moisturizer on the skin, but these are just some benefits just to cut everything short. Now moving on to the next tip, and that is do not skip your sunscreen in the daytime. I still want to mention other things about this sunscreen stuff, and the second thing I want to mention about this sunscreen stuff is applying very little amount of sunscreen on your face. Like you will see some people, okay, let me use this moisturizer for example. Let's say this is a sunscreen. You see some people, they will take little sunscreen like this. Let's say this is a sunscreen, okay, they'll just apply it small on their face like this. They'll apply it in pea size all over their face like this. Then they'll now rub it in, okay, they'll rub it into their face. Once they've rubbed this tiny thing into their face, they'll say that they have applied their sunscreen. You're just deceiving yourself. I pity you. Your sunscreen is meant to protect your skin. Apply adequate amount of sunscreen. That's why when people tell you, they'll say you should go for the 2-finger rule method. You should use the 2-finger rule method to apply your sunscreen. You'll be able to apply adequate amount of sunscreen on your skin. Now moving on to the next skincare tip on my list, and that is whenever you want to go and fix your nails, you know, you want to make your nails look so beautiful, so cute. Oh my God. Please don't forget to apply a sunscreen on your hands before you start fixing that nails. The reason why I said that is because this is mostly for people that are going to use, you know, that nail drying machine that is to produce light. The light that is producing, it is actually producing UV radiation. Putting your hands into that machine without wearing a sunscreen can also cause premature aging on your hands, make your hands look dull. Like when you look at your hands will be looking dull. So before you start fixing your nails, apply a sunscreen around your hands. Apply sunscreen around your hands. Okay, now moving on to the next skincare tip on my list, and that is stop picking your pimples. Now this skincare tip or this skincare mistake is something that I have also fallen short of. Before, when I get pimples, maybe when pimples start appearing on my skin, I cannot do without touching that pimple. So I must touch it. I must feel it. Even sometimes, self, I will end up trying to pick it and bust that pimples. Until I now notice that whenever I do this thing, my skin, it literally make my skin to pain me more, and it results into more scarring on the skin. The second thing again is that you might have known about it, or maybe you don't know about it, and that is the appearance of that dark spot or hyperpigmentation will get worsened. Yes, when you're always touching that pimples, you're always picking your pimples. When that pimples finally heals and dries out, you will notice that the dark spots that pimples is going to leave will be worse. I know it is a very difficult thing, but try as much as possible to avoid picking your pimples, because it's not only going to cause you scarring, it is also going to cause more pigmentation. And then another thing again is that it can result into skin infection and also spread of bacteria. That is the bacteria that's coming from that pimples or acne. It can spread, thereby worsening the appearance of your acne. Now, the next skincare tip on my list is whenever you apply your skincare, like your face care products on your face, make sure you distribute that face care product to your neck region also. So basically, whatsoever product, skincare products you apply on your face, it should go to your neck. Now, I have gotten several comments of you all asking me, please, my neck looks darker than my face. How can I rhyme my face and my neck together? My love, one of the ways you can do that is by making sure you're distributing your face care products down to your neck region. Yes, this way, whatever product I apply on my face, let's say I'm making use of a dark spot correcting product on my face, as that product I'm applying on my face is helping me to treat pigmentation on my face, when I distribute that product to my neck region also, it will also help me to treat pigmentation around my neck region. So try as much as possible to be applying your face care product down to your neck region, and you're going to see changes. You're going to notice that your face and your neck is going to rhyme together. It is going to look even out, and your skin is going to be glowing. So my loves, these are just, I think I gave you all 10 skincare tips and some mistakes in today's video. Now, if you enjoyed this video, if this video was helpful to you, please, I want to beg you all again, please give my video a very big thumbs up, okay? And don't forget to drop lovely comments for me in the comment section. Turn on the post notification bell. It is very important, so you can be notified when next I drop amazing content like this. So my loves, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.